Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to talk about the heavy club two-hand balance squat. This video is part of a big series of videos where we are instructing the absolute basics of heavy club swinging in order from least to most complex. When we start learning heavy club swinging, we focus on the things that heavy clubs do that other pieces of equipment do not do, but which the human body needs for athletic performance. We focus on swinging weights laterally because barbells do not do that well, dumbbells do not do that well, med balls do not do that well, kettlebells do it kind of, but heavy clubs do it better than everything else. Focusing on these swinging patterns allows people to develop the core firing necessary to improve their throwing patterns. Throwing patterns are a base human skill, and thumbs define us as a species. They allow us to hold on to tools, which are levers, and to build civilization and to throw things. There is a reason humans are the dominant species on the planet, and it is the ability to use levers and throw things. To pick up the club, step up to the club directly between the insteps of our feet. Point feet straight ahead for the pickup. On the squat, people may or may not turn out depending on their level of hip mobility and their level of conditioning. Thumbs point towards the sky, thumbs point forward, two elbows straight, pick up the club. Arm is at a 90-degree angle. This 90-degree angle and elbow on body defines our order position, and it is key for every heavy club movement. We want to use heavier clubs over time because it will prove that our structure and our breathing and our movement are all in line. Over time, heavier and heavier clubs are necessary to developing good technique. With our squat, push our hips back, get down, 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 down. Try to make your spine as vertical as possible. Depending on the surface that you are standing on, your feet may or may not turn out. The important part, shoulders back, down, fire the lat by driving the shoulder away from the ear. Lean back away from the club. The club will actually help you get lower in your squat. Stand all the way up. At the top, squeeze your quads to straighten out your knees, squeeze your glutes to protect your back, drive your rib cage down. Quad, glute, ab, every rep. Get down, 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 lean back, stand up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Get all the way down, lean back, stand up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. In order to get your tailbone down and your spine up, your elbow position is key. Our elbow is going directly into the top interior corner of our knee. Elbow goes in, press out, knees squeeze in. Use that tension to press your body up, up, up. The depth on this squat is deeper than in other types of training. Barbell has a different type of squat because the weights are very heavy. The alignment is different. Heavy clubs allow us to use intermediate weights, but because it's a lever, it provides feedback to your brain on how to get lower and lower. These heavy club squats will drastically improve your body weight squats, which will help you improve all your other types of squats. Things that will go wrong in the beginning: people will bend their chest forward and put their tailbone up. They will resist the idea of dropping their tailbone down, down, down to make their spine vertical. Different types of squats are different with different implements. A barbell back squat has a different position than a heavy club squat. A heavy club squat is eventually trying to get your tailbone all the way down to the ground so that you could sit down and stand all the way back up. I've had 3 knee surgeries. Your squat should be lower than mine. In the beginning, people will feel like they are going to fall backwards, and they might in the beginning. That's fine. Their core is trying to figure out how to fire in this rock bottom position. Drive your shoulders down, engage the lats, verticalize the spine, stand all the way up. This training tends to get put into a time under tension format, which means you would set a clock for 30, 60, or 90 seconds, and you would try to do more quality reps inside of that time. You have to know how to do this basic balance squat to do all the other more complex heavy club squats. Circle squats, pendulum squats, mill squats. All of those will drastically improve your throwing patterns, which every person who plays any sport should do to improve their basic human attributes.